In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Outlook. That method isn't working right now, login error. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and this typically occurs when the sign-in method that you selected, whether that be entering your password, an authenticator app, phone number, is temporarily unavailable or being blocked. Here are the most effective solutions. The first thing you want to do is you want to try a different sign-in method. So let's say, for example, that the password didn't work. In that instance, what I recommend that you guys do is sign in via Microsoft Authenticator, or conversely, if Microsoft Authenticator is not working, then try to sign in using your password or like a recovery email or a security key if you use one. Now, another thing that I recommend that you guys do is use a different browser or even incognito mode. Sometimes Outlook and Microsoft can get a little bit iffy depending on what browser you're using. So what could just be happening is that you may need to go ahead and just change your web browser and then try again, and then you should be good to go. When I was in school, this is something that happened to me a lot of the time. So chances are it might also work for you as well. Now, another thing that I recommend that you guys do is to sign in directly from the Microsoft account page. So to do that, you want to go to the search bar and type in account.microsoft.com. All right, then you just go ahead and click on it and then go ahead and press on sign in just like so. And then you should be able to go ahead and sign in significantly easier. Of course, you also want to check Microsoft server status. So sometimes Microsoft's authentication services are having problems. So sometimes they could be having system-wide issues. So in that instance, the only thing you can really do is you can go ahead and wait it out. But that is a possibility, and that is something that has happened in the past before. Of course, you want to make sure that you disable any VPNs or proxies, and be sure to have the most latest and recent version of Outlook in order for this to work. And if anything, what I recommend that you guys do is to repair or re-add your account as well, just because Microsoft can honestly get a little bit buggy and glitchy, and that might fix the issue. But unfortunately, there isn't a single cookie cutter solution. If you guys have any other ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below and in the pinned comment. I'll see you in the next video.